से 2.5 साल तो सिर्फ हमारे सुपरस्टार के लगे, उसके अलावा इस पूरे क्रू ने कितनी मेहनत की है, we'll definitely talk about that. But quickly, can we get the chairs on stage? है ना? I think we'll just do that. ईस्ट से लेके कौन सा गांव बोलो ना, कौन सा? ईस्ट से लेके वेस्ट तक कैसे एक इंसान की जर्नी होती है, उनके साथ एक पूरे क्रू की जर्नी होती है, और उसके बाद ये कैसे पूरे देश की जर्नी बन जाती है. आई थिंक इस तरह से इसे सम अप कर सकते हैं हम. और जब हमारे देश की बात आती है तो आई थिंक अंदर से निकल के आता है वो जोश. यहाँ उषा देवी बैठी थी और वो जब वो डायलॉग आया वहां पे देशभक्ति वाला, शी वाज लाइक, आज पहली बार देख रहा हूं मैं इनका रिएक्शन, तो शी वाज लाइक यस कि ये, this is what we want, and we'll get to witness this in theaters, ladies and gentlemen, when this movie releases. And thank you so much to the team. I'd like to invite on stage someone, ladies and gentlemen, जिनका जो करियर है वो करीब 25 सालों का है. 100 से ज्यादा फिल्में ये कर चुके हैं एज अ म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर, और एवरी सिंगल टाइम, है ना, 100 फिल्मों की सेंचुरी, every single time the ball is out of the park. Give it up for rockstar DSP, ladies and gentlemen. We got to make some more noise for him. हर एक पार्टी की जान है, हर एक इमोशन को बहुत बखूबी सबके सामने लेके आते हैं. सो वेलकम, प्लीज आइए. एंड we have to talk about the songs, we have to talk about this team. Amir sir sitting over here, so what do you have to say?
Hi, first of all, a very good evening to one and all who is here. Even before I start saying anything about the movie, I would like to say, Amit sir, we love you. And just saying that, I'm your fan, or just saying that you're an inspiration, I think all this is too less in front of you. All that I want to say is a very, 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 very big, huge thank you to you, sir, for all the great contribution that you did to this film industry, which has actually ultimately inspired all of us. And I'm so glad that I'm meeting you today. Actually, once, very unexpectedly, when we were recording Har Ghar Tiranga with Asha Bhosle ji, suddenly somebody walks into our Yashraj studios to meet Asha ji. And I was like recording, I turned like this, and it was none other than Amir sir. I was like, oh, okay. So I was like, Ashai. So then she introduced me to him, and it was, you won't remember that, sir, but it was like very quick. So I got so excited to meet you, sir. And today, you coming to support our film. Thank you so much, sir. Love you, sir. And please give a huge round of applause to the one and only Amir, sir. Sir, even while most of the films when we are working, sir, in terms of, you have been a great reference point to us in terms of so many things, sir. Not just acting, like expressions, acting, that is definitely there, but then beyond that, the kind of scripts that you choose, the kind of, aisa ek scene chahiye, or aisa gana chahiye, aisa lyrics chahiye, and most of them have been references from your films, and that's why I said a huge thank you to you, sir, on behalf of all the technicians, not just the fans. So thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. You mean a lot to us, sir. Either it is Lagan or Gajini or Three Idiots, or I don't know how you do it. I don't know how you do it, sir. We all don't know how you do it. That's why you are Amir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And then coming to Thandel, thank you so much for the warm welcome that Bollywood and Mumbai has always been giving me, whichever movie, Pushpa 1 or 2, or even Dinka Chika or Daddy Mummy, whatever, 1 or 2 songs or an album. Every time you have been giving me great love. So I'm really, really grateful to all of you. And thanks to you, sir, you have always been giving me great intros, which make me feel that, oh my God, really? So thank you. So thanks to all of you. And I would like to thank the one and only Allu Arvind, sir. Allu Arvind uncle for me. So Geeta Arts for making such spectacular, fantabulous movies, and also making Thandel. Uncle, thank you so much for giving us this movie, because we all had a great journey. And thanks to our director, Chandu Mondeti, sir, for writing this amazing script. He'll talk to you more about this. It's based on a true incident. And the way he made the film is truly, truly heart-touching. And what made it heart-touching is, other than his writing and the making, the fantastic and fantabulous performances of my dear brother, Nag Chaitanya, who has, huge round of applause, Mumbai! He has transformed himself into, I don't know whether to say he has transformed. He was always a lover boy. He's still a lover boy. He would always be a lover boy. But he has also transformed into a beast. Like we say Beauty and the Beast, but I think he's both together in this movie. So, okay, amazing performance, Chai. Amazing. And of course, what to say about Sai Pallavi? You all know her. So she did a marvelous job, and both of them together as a pair, and also on the screen, the chemistry is amazing, and they make us laugh, they make us feel the romance, and they also made us cry in the movie. So I would like to thank all my lyricists, my technicians, my musicians, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
I
Thank
hope
you
you'll
so
all
much.
love this film, and like they say, Thandel leader. So you also please try to make this film the leader of collections. So Allu Arjun uncle will be happy.
He said it. He said it. असली रॉक स्टार हमारे साथ यहाँ पे एंड अभी रिसेंटली यू नो there's this thing that happened. We don't usually get to see Allu Arvind sir dance, but अभी Rockstar DSP के गाने पे we saw him shake a leg and that went viral. That actually broke the internet. Sir, वो moves I'm sure we'll get to see something here also. You have to do it for us Mumbaikars sir. But उससे पहले I would want you to sing a line or two sir. बनता है? बनता है? अरे
Oh my God. Prepare with the lyrics as always. And before that, I also would like to thank Bunny Was, who is not present right here. Now he's roaming around for the mixing. Thank you, Vasu. You've been a great source of energy to all of us. Sir, क्या गाऊं
थोड़ा
अभी?
सा
लिरिक्स नहीं है मेरे पास.
ये एकदम से ऐसे मैंने झटका यहाँ पे दे दिया रॉकस्टार को है ना आप सबके लिए
और you finish with the
okay
then I'll
okay
sing
so
one-
what we'll do is now it's time to invite on stage this brilliant filmmaker ladies and gentlemen जिन्होंने वो एक एक फ्रेम जो है ना उसको आप सबके सामने इस तरह प्रेजेंट किया है कि हम सब भी बोल रहे हैं वाओ सर मतलब आपकी भाषा में बोलो तो फीलिंग्स जग गई वापस से वो देख के है ना गिव इट अप फॉर चंदू मोंडेटी साहब ladies and gentlemen this brilliant young mind here I would say
The
Thank
man
you so
who
much.
won National Award for
Yes.
his previous
Ka-
film Kartikeya 2.
Kartikeya 2, sir. We still in love with that movie, and we were waiting for another dhamaka from you, sir. And here it is. What do you have to say? We are in Amchi, Mumbai. Everybody is like eager to hear from you, sir.
Amit sir. Amit sir, thanks for coming. And as Devi Garu said, you're feeling nervous, sir. Talking before you, actually. And more than my trailer release, the excitement that I'm sharing stage with you, I'm in front of you, and I'm unable to. I prepared so much to talk about you, but I forgot, sir.
That means you really love him.
Yeah, more than. Yes, sir. This is my sincere request, Amir sir. Okay, for you. I want to assist for 6 months, sir. For next film. Yeah. And after assisting, I will narrate a story to you, sir. Yeah, I seriously mean it, sir. I seriously mean it. Yes, sir. Because you're an encyclopedia for the film, sir. Wow. I'm not exaggerating this. Yeah, I mean, yes, this is my true feelings towards you, sir. And thanks. Thanks for your inspiration and everything, sir. Thanks for coming. And coming to the film, okay. మర్చిపోయానండి ఓకే ఫర్గాట్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఓకే 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 వద్దులేండి వద్దులేండి యా యూ కెన్ కాల్ అరవింద్ గారు టు ద స్టేజ్ యా
Okay, so he said it. Of course, the director Saab has already said it. Check. आ रही है? आ रही है? आ जाएगी? Check. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to invite on stage the Karta Dharta of Geeta Arts. And yeah, of course, he is there. He's been there. And as I said, close to 45 years of experience. He's been entertaining the audiences हर एक अंदाज में अपनी उन कमाल की ब्लॉकबस्टर्स के साथ फिर चाहे उन्हें प्रोड्यूस किया हो या प्रेजेंट किया हो अल्लू अरविंद साहब के लिए जोरदार तालियां and now the entire world is talking about your moves sir so before anything else we have to talk about this movie how did it all happen sir you said okay I need to be there with this team support them talk to us about it sir please
Before I talk anything about the film, let me thank Amir ji. He's so humble, so nice. And the pretension is not with him. I just called him with slight embarrassment because his son's film is being released on the same day as 7th. And And I started like this, sir, I don't know, I can ask this help, but the only superstar I know and I've made films is you. Can I invite you for the trailer launch? He said, what is there? Both the films will run well. Don't worry about it. I'll come. That's all. One simple word. He didn't allow me to cajole beg or anything like that. He just simply told like that, I'm coming. That's all. Then, sir, date. Okay, I'll ask my secretary to call you. Just talk to him. And it's all over in 3 minutes. What to say? Such a nice gentleman. And of course, I know that he loves me in his heart. So that is the reason the first call, he made me so happy. Thank you very much for your kindness, sir. Thank you very much. Coming back to the film. Why we made this film is one, if you want to say in one sentence, it is a true story happened in nearby Vizag, in a small village. Those people have gone to Gujarat for a better coolie to go into the sea and do a fishing for 30 days and come back. Unfortunately, due to some weather problem, they crossed the international borders and suddenly they realized Pakistan people have caught them and took them to jail, and they were there for 2 years to come back. And the whole family in this village here, how they suffered, how they rose to bring them back, what is their struggle there, and all this is the story of the film. Straight, I'm telling you. I'm inspired by the 10 lines of the story, and we approached those 20 people who stayed in the Pakistan jail, took rights from all of them. Though somebody has written the story, and then gave the small story to this gentleman. And this gentleman took 9 months to develop into a proper 1.5 hour narration to me. And on the day when he gave narration to me, I was flat on that floor, right? He developed in such a way. He intertwined the love story so much into it. And the Pakistan jail scenes and the village scenes, the love story, all these things. In the sea, of course, he spent a lot of money of mine. That is about him. And I have to tell somebody is not here who was about to come, and Sai Pallavi is sick today and she couldn't come. We told her, please stay back, don't worry, we will explain to Chief Guest Amitji and you people. And she has done a fantastic job in this film. You will love it. And then it is Naga Chaitanya. I've got a long way to go. With him, he has been my actor in my banner, and he's so inspired with this subject. When we told, even before developing into this big one, he was, and the way he has acted in this film, I tell you, I mean, this is slightly exaggeration in my words, but when you see the film, it is a reality. He has done best of his career performance. He has done the best. And I feel, even this word is an exaggeration, but his career before this film and after this film will be in 2 ways. That's it. Sir, thank you very much, because he stood for this film for 1.5 years, not accepting any assignment and not removing the beard also. Should I tell the joke? About a couple of months he got married. So I went to his marriage to bless. They were sitting down, I was about to bless. He introduced his missus, and she said, sir, I have a small request. Please tell me, when do you will show my husband to me I said, what is it? I couldn't, I couldn't see my husband's face. I told her, next day of the release. Till then, don't believe me. Next day of the release. So that was the joke in Pandal. So such patience he has shown in the film, such tenacity he has exhibited to do the role, and even those fishermen have a muscle, but thin, that kind of muscle, lean muscle. Lean muscle, he has developed it to show it as a fisherman and all that. He has worked a lot for that. And I remember how much you struggled to build the body in Gajani. We stopped the film for 6 months, really, to make him bulk the body. So, such things he has done for this film. I have to acknowledge and thank you, Chaitu, for this film. And we say, if the film is coming up, the music is the first one that comes and hits us. And he has hit audience with 3 continuous hits in this film. And he has given extraordinary music for this film. And already, it is on the charts. It's doing great. And he's looking like that. He's doing music last 25 years. And I lost count how many films he has done for me. But I was asking yesterday, like, how you are giving continuous hits so many years, man. He is telling, can I ask you the same? So even, I think you are aware, Pushpa. He is the guy. No, Pushpa ka baap he was. Then my colleague Banni Vasu, he got this subject from somewhere and brought to me. Sir, listen to this. I think something is hitting me. And I heard it's a real story, but it looks like a documentary. Yeah? Let us give it to Chandu. He will make it. And he has worked throughout. I don't go to sets every day. That Mr. Banni Vasu does all this job. And I thank him across this stage. He's not here because in the Hindi copy, Hindi mixing, all those things, he's looking after there. So many people couldn't reach here. One Mr. Sandeep we have taken from here. Thank you, Sandeep. You will come finally here. Thank you. He has done a great job also. Thank you, Sandeep. For 20 days, I saw him continuously in the edit room. So he was so familiar. And did I forget anything? Right, editor Naveen. He has done a great job. He's a super editor there. People wait for him. People postpone their releases for his edit. That kind of a superstar. So many people. He's also a National Film Awardee. I'm working with so many National Film Awards. Thank you. Thank you for co-producers. These are the people. Please stand up once.
Thank you so much, sir.
Whom can I call now?
Of course.
You do. I don't do your job. Please do.
You're so amazing, sir. मैं सुन सकता हूँ ऐसे पूरे टाइम. आवाज में वजन है, पर्सनालिटी में वजन है, तो बनता है इतना. तो Sandeep, thank you so much for being here. What would you like to say, for this entire team and your experience of being a part of this film?
First things first, Amir sir के सामने गला थोड़ा सा सूख रहा है. Who is not his fan? और I don't know whether I should do this, but I want to. So hell yes. मैं 15 साल से आपके सामने एक चीज करना चाहता हूँ सर. చకరక చీచాయ్ చో చకలోరం గండో వండో లకరకటం అక్కో టక్కో ఇడిగిడి ఇడిగో ఇడిపాయ్ విడిపాయ్ చికి చకచో గిలిగిలి మల్ సులు సులు మల్ మకనక హుకుబుకురే టుకుబుకురే చకలక బిక్కో చిక్కో సిలి సిలి సిలిగో చగర్దుం భగర్దుం చికి చకచో.
क्या बात.
ये गाना मेरी मोबाइल की रिंगटोन रह चुका है, मेरा अलार्म रह चुका है. मेरी 8 साल की बच्ची को मैंने पहला गाना यही सिखाया सर, और उसको भी ये वर्ड टू वर्ड याद है. लोग फिल्में बनाते हैं, कुछ फिल्में छू जाती हैं, कुछ फिल्में याद रह जाती हैं, और कुछ फिल्में इतिहास बना जाती हैं सर. तो मेरे हिसाब से पेरेंटिंग एंड हैंडलिंग चिल्ड्रन विद स्पेशल नीड्स, इसके बारे में इससे अच्छा एग्जाम्पल, इससे अच्छी फिल्म आई डोंट थिंक मैंने देखी है, और शायद ही हम में से किसी और ने देखी होगी. Thank you so much for giving us an amazing film like that, and several other amazing films, sir. And coming to our film, when I entered the sets of Tandel, I was not sure what to expect. But then I met this towering man called Mr. Mondeti. और मैंने इनको ये खुद बोला कि सर आप डायरेक्टर नहीं हैं, आप ना साथ में टीचर भी हैं. क्योंकि मैंने इतने फिल्म सेट्स देखे हैं जहाँ पे डायरेक्टर अपने असिस्टेंट्स पर आमतौर पर चिल्लाता है, गलती होती है तो चिल्लाता है, लेकिन ये उनको फटकार तो नहीं लगाते, सुधारते हैं, लेकिन साथ में जाकर समझाते भी हैं कि करना कैसे है. एंड इमेजिन सर मी 100 कोట్లు అక్కడే వెళ్ళినాయి sir. When a film close to 100 crores is riding on you, each day of the film is very expensive. और उसका हर मिनट अकाउंटेबल होता है, लेकिन ये फिर भी उस कॉम्प्लेक्स से सीन में जहां पर 100-150 एक्स्ट्राज हैं और धूप है, लाइट जा रही है, एक सुपरस्टार वेट कर रहा है, वो डायरेक्टर असिस्टेंट को जाकर बताएंगे कि तूने ये गलत किया, इसको ऐसे करना अगली बार, ठीक है ना, एंड देन he'll go back to his shot. So that is Chandu sir for us, because it doesn't just take storytelling, it takes a good heart to make a film which has its heart in the right place. I mean, प्यार मोहब्बत के बारे में फिल्में बनती रहती हैं, लेकिन जब ये प्यार इन दोनों की आंखों में दिखता है ना, तो ये यहां से आता है. He has made this film with a lot of love, and I am very sure, and I'm only looking forward to see how Chai and Sai Pallavi have brought the love and the intimate, tender moments on the film screen. So thank you very much, sir. Lovely film. The production was very nice. It was an amazing film set to be on, right from director sir to the assistants to people from the production. Thank you very much for being the guiding light to all of us, sir. And now we are only looking forward to the film. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I forgot to introduce one Mr. Sachar, Chief Executive of the film. Mr. Sachar.
Thank you, sir, for being here with us and, of course, being a part of this film. Valentine's Day से पहले ही Valentine's Day मनवाने की पूरी तैयारी है यहाँ पे, है ना? छह भाई और Sai Pallavi के साथ. So now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to invite on stage, of course, this super handsome actor who has this unmatched screen presence and impeccable style, and his heart is full of gratitude for all his fans. Give it up for Naga Chaitanya, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, we got to give him a big round of applause. The ever so handsome, the ever so talented. Jai Bhai, welcome to Amchi Mumbai.
Thank you so much.
है ना, इस capacity में how does it feel? Of course, film आने वाली है इतनी बड़ी और सब लोग बहुत excited है. What do you have to say?
Firstly, very good evening to everyone. Amir sir, thank you so much for coming. I'm not someone who believes in sentiments too much, but I can't help but draw a parallel to, I remember the film I did with Sai Pallavi, Love Story. Amir sir had watched the trailer and he had messaged me saying, wow, what a lovely trailer. Can I come for the event that we were having in 2 days from there? And I said, sir, it's all planned. Chiranjeevi Garu is the chief guest and all that. He said, no, I'm coming. I just want to come and enjoy the event. So he came there. He gave us so much positivity. And the film turned out to becoming a huge success for both of us. And now again, we're here with a film that Pallavi and I are doing. Tandel and Amir sir is here to launch the trailer. It's such a magical moment for me. Sir, if this film works, which we all have the confidence that it will work on Feb 7th, I'll have to call you for every trailer release that Pallavi and I do. So I'm sorry, I'll have to ask you. And also the 6 months, the brief period I spent with Amir sir during Lal Singh had left such a huge positive impact on me. I learned so much from him, both as an actor and as a human being. And I think till date and for many, many days to come, that influence will play a huge role in my life. Thank you, sir. And coming to Tandel, when Chandu told me the idea, like Arvind sir said, in a very documentary kind of form, I was so excited as an actor. Which actor won't be? I mean, this film has so much of span. We're going from this village, Srikakulam, to Gujarat, all the way to Pakistan, and there's a beautiful love story. So we decided to start the journey. The script wasn't ready by then. We decided to start the journey, and we went to Srikakulam to meet all the fishermen and to learn about their lives and to learn about their challenges. And that's when I realized what a big challenge this film is going to be for me. Because listening to their stories, their experiences out in sea, they are out in sea for almost 8 months in a year, and there's no connect to reality. They don't have any sort of cell phone communication or whatsoever. Listening to all these challenges really grounded me and really inspired me as an actor, because these are the real heroes and their stories have to be told. And very rarely do actors, do we get such inspiration from real moments to tell stories. So I think it's a huge opportunity for me, and I'm really blessed as an actor to be able to be a part of this film. And as Arvind Garu said, firstly, I should thank him for trusting me, because when he saw me before the transformation, I looked nothing like this, and I was very far from how these people look. So it took me about a year almost to do the physical and the mental transformation, learn the slang and all that. But in spite of that, before all that, he decided to put a lot of money into this film, more than I think he didn't look at the math or how much market I have or Chandu's market or none of that. He just trusted the story and went into the film. My third film, 100% Love with Arvind Garu, and that film really shaped my career back then. And I'm really hoping and trusting, and I'm very sure that this film will also shape my career in a very different way and give me a positive direction. So thank you, Arvind Garu. Thank you, Chandu, for trusting me. This is our third film together. Every film, Chandu's presented me in a new style, and he's always looked out for me. Thank you so much, and Rockstar DSP for your lovely music. I think music plays a very, very important role in love stories. And from the first song that we've released, Bujitali, it's been a chart buster to Namo Namah Shivaya and Hailaso Hailasa. And it's given this film a very, very different color, and it's given this film so much exposure. The music has taken the film places even before the release. So thank you so much, Devi. Thank you, Sandeep. Thank you for all the energy. And yes, we miss Pallavi today. Pallavi is such a powerhouse of talent. She brings so much energy, and she complements every actor and every technician in so many ways. So really glad to be working with her. And of course, thank you to the Mumbai media and the viewers for encouraging our films and our stories over here. Looking forward to you all enjoying the film on Feb 7th, and also like to wish the team of Love Yapa all the very best, because Advait is very close to me. I've spent some time with Junaid, very good friends, so wishing them all the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं, of course. And now to invite on stage someone, जिनके लिए इतना ही बोलूंगा मैं यहाँ पे. You stand on a stage, he's sitting there in the first row, and you're like, how do I introduce him? Then you're like, अपने को बोलते हो आप, इनका इंट्रोडक्शन देने वाला मैं कौन होता हूँ यार? अक्खी इंडस्ट्री दे रही है, हर एक सिने लवर दे रहा है. सिर्फ इतना ही कहूँगा, he's known for his unforgettable performances and groundbreaking films. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Amir Khan. Welcome, sir. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here. And I can say on behalf of each and every cine lover कि जब आप खड़े होते हैं किसी क्रू के साथ, किसी फिल्म के साथ, तो वो भरोसा ना थोड़ा और गहरा हो जाता है कि आमिर खान वो हैं तो कुछ तो होगा. Please talk to us about this entire thing.
सबसे पहले तो मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा. आप सब ने इतना प्यार दिया है मुझे. All of you all have given me so much love. Thank you so much. I'm really touched. But the fact is that, Arvind Garu is like an elder brother. And when his phone came, his film is releasing. So before even knowing everything, I had first said yes, you know that, sir. I said yes. Then he said, no, but I want you to know it's coming on 7th. I said, हाँ, so then he said, your son's release, film is also releasing. I said, no problem. सब फिल्में चलेंगी यार. I think जब फिल्म की कहानी अच्छी होती है तो ऑडियंस उसको पसंद करती है, और बहुत दफ़ा हमने देखा है कि साथ में बहुत सारी फिल्में एक साथ चली हैं. तो ऑल माई वेरी बेस्ट. आई रियली लव द ट्रेलर. इट्स फैंटास्टिक ट्रेलर. It's so well shot and great music. You know, there's a song of yours, Dinka Chicka, Dinka Chicka. That's my favorite song. Yeah, मैं normally मुझे नाचना पसंद नहीं है, but वो गाना बजता है तो मैं शुरू हो जाता हूँ. I promise you. And Salman knows this. Yeah. So you know. So I think it's a great trailer. The story, as you said, कि ये it's a true story and it's certainly a story which is very moving. And जिस तरह ट्रेलर में हमने देखा है, it's so beautifully shot and the emotions have come out so well. Jay is an amazing actor, and so is Sai Pallavi. So both of their moments have come out so well, and I think it's going to be a huge success. My very best to the entire team, Jay.
Thank you so much, sir. I would request all of you to kindly be seated. Thank you so much. Okay, so Arvind sir, I have a question for you. There's a lot of history here. You know, whenever we talk about a pan-Indian film, Gajani का जिक्र होता ही है. And you know, वो 100 crores और वो एक अलग benchmark set कर देना with this gentleman here. So this goes a long way. Talk to us about that also, sir.
That time reaching 100 crores is something which is impossible, difficult kind of thing. And certain behind stories you don't know. In the middle of the film, he challenged in the sets with me and Madhu that this is going to be the first 100 crore film.
No, sir. Did I say that?
Yeah.
Doesn't sound like me, sir.
Yeah. But you
Doesn't
told me
sound
very-
like me.
It was a night, late night, sir. And I thought it was
Short-term memory loss.
no. We were wishing like that, rather we say.
Wishful thinking. Yes.
Wishful thinking. And rather we were promoting that to you.
Yes.
And-
Wonderful memories here of
And
Gajini.
it did. The first 100 crore club, Gajni is the film in the history.
Yes.
And I wish I should make another. Now it is 100 has become 1,000.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I want to make 1,000 crore film with him now.
So definitely, sir. Definitely.
Maybe Gajni too. Maybe Gajni too.
So a lot of,
Yeah, something is
on
going
the net is going around Gajni too.
Going around. No, actually,
where you heard it first.
We
This
both
is where
did
you
not
heard it
think
first.
about it. People started writing about it.
Manifestation, so it's going to happen.
So talking about history, Amir sir, this one's for you. Talking about history, of course, you've worked with this gentleman here, the very talented Che sir. So tell us something about him. You know, when he was working with you, as an actor, what did you see in him?
He's an ideal co-star to have. Yeah, he's absolutely on the ball, complete team player. You know, we had such a great time working together. He's absolutely on the ball for every shot. Doesn't miss a beat. And a great human being to hang out with. Yeah. So we couldn't have asked for anything better. Right. It was such an amazing experience working with Che, and that got us really close together. So though we don't talk every day, but at one time we were living out of each other's pockets. We used to travel together, shoot, come back together. We were always together. But both of us have great fondness for each other, and I think I'm so happy to see you again today. Yeah.
जैसा आमिर सर के लिए कहा जाता है that he completely वो immerse कर लेते हैं अपने को whenever he's doing a movie, right? He's 120% there और फिर वो साल महीने दिन नहीं गिनते. So वहाँ से कहीं से inspiration आया था that 2 years without signing any other movie. So was it like inspired by the gentleman here? इसके लिए 2 साल दे दिए और कुछ और नहीं किया?
Maybe in a way. Maybe in a way, because
You didn't shoot anything else, just two.
no,
Oh,
no,
wow.
no, didn't shoot anything.
Wow. So we're really looking forward to this one, yeah? Wow.
Yeah, maybe in a way.
How was it? How was it for you? Talk to us about that, because of course a busy actor जो कि कह रहा है अब I'm 120% dedicated to this project, and finally it is out. Talk to us about this journey.
No, as an actor, when the role really inspires you and when you're really moved by the character you're playing, it the time doesn't matter. At least for me, you know, whether it's 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, it's not about that. It's about translating what you had envisioned and getting that right. Because today, once the film releases and once it's out, nothing is in your hands. So when, at least when it's in your hands, when you have control over the product, you know, be patient with it and do what you can. So that's what I believe in.
Right. Chandu sir, based on real life stories, talk to us about that. You know, did you like meet all those people? Like, how did it all happen?
Yeah, I mean, basically it's a emotional love story.
Yeah.
But when it comes to the after Pakistan scenes, so how Raju saved his guys.
Right.
Okay, the other 21 along with him
Yeah.
from among those cutthroat criminals in the jail, in the Karachi jail. Okay.
Talking about me,
when
sir.
it comes to the village, Satya, Raju's love. Okay, all way to Machilism, a small village. He goes to Delhi to get them back.
Right.
Okay, yeah, and this is a real story.
And this is looking very real on that big screen.
Yeah.
वो organic लग रहा है. That is why I asked you this question. It was looking all organic. So did you like have this on your mind? Like, did you guys discuss this amongst yourself that this is how the thing is going to be like? We want this. क्या कहते हैं? Process ऐसा होना चाहिए कुछ something like
No,
that?
I mean, as it is a real-time story, me along with my team, along with my hero, my producer, Banni Vasu, everyone, even with Bhanu Pratap, Karthik, everyone, we went there, we researched there, studied their language, their body language, everything. So it was actually, to say it, it was a bit easy for them because of we have a live example.
Right. Right.
To read them.
Right.
Yeah.
Arvind sir, we've got to know that recently Bunny sir also met Miss Bansuri Swaraj in Delhi.
Banni Vasu.
Bunny Vasu.
Yeah,
met
Banni
her,
Vasu.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So talk to us about that. What was it like? Because Sushma
So
Swaraj ji ka
this
kuch
story happens in between 2018 and 19, where they were caught at that point of time.
Yeah.
So about the story of the film, I think so we should not reveal so much actually.
So some things they cannot reveal,
Yeah.
Just
which
the
you will
Mulaqat
save
you
for
can
the
talk
film.
about.
It's a part of suspense of the film.
Okay.
And
ये गलत सवाल पूछ दिया तूने.
certain things have happened during Sushma Swaraj stayed in as an external minister.
Right.
So that we brought that part into this film.
But you know why I ask you this question is because a lot of back-end research has gone into it. ये सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि 2 लाइन की कोई कहानी मिल गई और उसको बना दिया. You guys have done it like you've been there in the entire process. So for you, what were the guidelines given to you? Like what was it like? Because this is not a regular movie ना, ये तो कुछ हटके है. तो क्या बोला गया था आपको?
Okay, the first time when I received a call from
So he's not only music director for this film, he's also writer, sir. We discuss a lot about the story. I have lot hours to hours discussion we have.
Right.
Yeah.
Wow.
He's not the music director. He's different. He will come, sit with the story sitting, and he'll come to the sets. He will come to the dance, these things. He will think over, he will go, change something, and he is slightly mad. So much.
Sir, what you said right now is a blessing.
I said my time of
The biggest compliment I could ever get. Woohoo! Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Uncle. Thank you. Yeah, so, yeah. So, I'm still basking in the glory of what Amir sir just said. Like me, he said, what more do I ask for, sir? I think any passionate technician has to be that mad, no, sir. The madness is what drives us to the next one. And of course, we all learn from people like you, sir. So, thank you, sir.
No, we learn from each other.
Oh,
The
see-
process of learning never stops.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly, sir. Exactly. Thank you for that, sir. So, yeah, the first time when I got a call from Chandu sir and Bunny was, first they told me as a one-liner. They said, we are thinking of a story like this, which happened. It's a true incident. And it was just like maybe like 2-3 minutes call. That's it. As soon as they said that one-liner, I said, let's do this movie. So it was so exciting because the border crossing in the Pakistani and all that, the fishermen, I thought, oh, and I'm also a beach lover because I'm based out of Chennai. And I grew up always, going and sitting alone on the beach, listening to Ilayaraja sir's music, listening to Michael Jackson's music. So, yeah, I think you should give a huge round of applause to Ilayaraja sir and Michael Jackson here.
Alone another top.
Alone at different times, uncle. So, yeah. So, like, I don't know, the sound of water always inspires me, and I could hear the sound of an ocean all through the narration when they were saying it. So, that's why in all the lyrics, I would have somehow brought in a reference of the saltness of the water. Or
You were going to sing a song last time. Now you must be ready by now. By now you would be
Oh my
ready.
God.
Give us a few
No,
lines.
this is like I'm sitting in front of a school teacher. It's like, hey, don't escape your homework.
No, we are the audience. You cannot escape the audience.
Sure, sir. So that's how it started, and I loved what they narrated, sir. And then we right away, like we actually dived into the ocean of his narration. Yeah. And then we came out with this, and they made it so beautifully, sir. Every emotion was like beautiful in the movie. So I should thank them for making this amazing script, and of course.
See, this is what they want. Amir sir ने सही करवा दिया यहाँ. Sir, this is just a bahana, sir. Every time you take.
Sir,
out your
you
phone-
sing and Arvind Garu will dance.
Done it. Thank you, Amir sir, for that.
Beat.
Okay, beat. You do that. Chesa, I'll quickly come to you. You know, one last thing, because this is one movie that is going to appeal to anyone and everyone across the country. And वो pan India नहीं बोलूँगा मैं, लेकिन ये वही वाली feel है कि everybody, and we've seen your work, yeah, in this part of the country also. We've seen your work, we've loved your work. But here, like this huge film, to be blockbuster, let's say that. Tandel, what do you have to say? यहाँ पे अभी.
Well, I think the subject itself is so universal by itself. The story behind what really excited me also as an actor, behind the whole Srikakulam village to Gujarat to Pakistan, behind that is a beautiful love story that Chandu Mondeti has written, and it is that pure love that each one has for each other that kept my character Raju so brave in jail, and kept him going through those 2 years and come back in one piece. So that is something that I really found exciting as well. And also he takes you through a journey of love. Love also has a lot of pain in it. So those are some of the moments that he's dealt with really well. You know, how this story of love goes through positivity, pain, and how they come out stronger from it. Right. So yeah, that's another angle to it which I really was inspired from.
And of course, the intensity of the character that we saw on the big screen. Of course, romance है, but other than that, you're there. उनकी जेल में बैठे और वहाँ पे जो dialogue बाजी चल रही है, उस समय that angst. Talk to us about it, sir.
Chandru ne jepta.
Chandu sir. Oh, he'll talk. Yeah.
So that angle, I don't know how much to talk about because it's still, we've kept it limited
No
to in the
worries, sir.
trailer because
No
the whole
worries.
patriotism angle.
Also, I
of it.
think it's much more fun to experience the performance, on screen. So we'll do that on 7th.
Done. अभी so we are all set. वो लोग हाँ उधर से हाँ. And we also okay. We've also got the songs, so we'll be playing those songs on the big screen for you guys. But before that, live तो बनता है यहाँ पे, है कि नहीं? हाँ?
Allu Arvind uncle has to dance now. ఇందులో Mani, where are you, Mani? I'm struggling here and you're not even bothered about me.
Mani.
He could have taken the lyrics and given me by now. Yeah.
Yeah, do from this film.
Wow, amazing, sir.
ये नहीं देखने को मिलेगा. मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें, of course, we get to see and witness and enjoy, but this is something हटके, of course. Okay, so one more time, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be playing those videos. We've got the assets here. And Arvind sir, one more time, if you were to talk about the filmy scene right now, of course, we are talking about 100 crores, we are talking about 1,000 crores, but at the same time कहीं ना कहीं we are like अच्छा ये छोटी पिक्चर है ये कैसी चलेगी नहीं चलेगी. What is the scenario like as per you, because you've been there done that sir, थोड़ा बताइए about films, of course the scene. I'm saying filmy scene right now sir. Yeah, exactly.
I'm still searching the reasons.
Amir sir, for
I
you.
think a good story always works. Across genres, it could be action, it could be drama, it could be romantic. If your story is good, it always works. It always starts from the story.
Right. Jai
And
sir.
which director can do that and which hero suits that? These three should fall in line. Then it's a hit.
So it's a collective thing, of course, you know. Starcast wala sir, Amir sir, because of course,
Starcast should be as per the story. Story decides everything. That's what I feel.
right, right. Stars की बात करें, you know, talking about your look, urban, cool, andaz, we've seen you in that. Here it's that rugged look, दाढ़ी के साथ, वो एक अलग dialect, उसके ऊपर कितनी preparation गई, कितनी मेहनत गई.
See, the look was pretty, you know, growing my hair, beard and all. I think the most challenging part about the transformation was the dialect, the Srikakulam dialect. It's very unique in sound. It's very far off from the Telugu we speak in the city. So, you know, getting that right was the biggest challenge for me.
Right, right. Sir, एक challenge जो सबसे ज़्यादा for the director, what was the most challenging thing I would say?
So most of the part in the ocean, what we shot,
Right.
okay, 95% is the original location, sir. So my hero said, I don't want to do in the blue mat or green mat because I don't get that feel. So most of the part we shot in the sea.
Okay.
Yeah.
देखा यही होता है, ऐसी चीजें निकल के आ जाती हैं. Sir,
30 to 35 days we shot in the middle of the sea. Ocean.
wow, wow. बाकी बहुत सारी चीजें 7th Feb is the date. Remember that. Rockstar sir,
Yes.
हो जाए?
Ready?
He is ready. I know that. Yeah.
Okay, so there is a beautiful situation in this where, thank you, sir. So, okay, but I chose to sing this song. Sorry about my throat. I've been on the cold, so okay. Anyways, but you're all also going to sing along with me, okay? It's a beautiful situation about the Mahashivratri in this movie, and also Mahashivratri is coming up this month, and that's a very important situation in the film where I think I can say where the Thandel is actually being appointed in the movie on that particular day, and the phone is locked. Once it happened in my live show, sir. I forgot the lyrics, and my brother gave me his iPad. I was like, okay, and I was like dancing. Then when I came back to the iPad, it was locked, and I like, okay. Namo Namah, Namo Namah, Namo Namah Shivaya. I want everybody to sing along. Namo Namah, Namo Namah, Namo Namah Shivaya. Namo Namah, Namo Namah, Namo Namah Shivaya. Namo Namah, Namo Namah, Namo Namah Shivaya. Dum 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 dol baja, डमरू पे सबको नचा, 8 दिशाओं में दिखे तांडवेश्वरा. Namo Namah, Namo Namah, Namo Namah Shivaya. Bham 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 शंख बजा, अमृत हम सबको पिला, हिमगिरि हृदय कैलाश की तरह. नमो नमः, नमो नमः, नमो नमः शिवाय. जय शंकरा, जय 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 शंकरा, भस्म कर दे पाप सबके नेत्र खोल तीसरा. जय शंकरा, शिव 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 शंकरा, त्रिशूल से राह दिखा जिससे हो सबको भला. नमो नमः, नमो नमः, नमो नमः शिवाय. नमो नमः, नमो नमः, नमो नमः शिवाय.
Wow.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir.
शिवरात्रि
Thank
पे
you.
सबसे कमाल का गिफ्ट आई थिंक यही रहेगा हर किसी के लिए यहाँ पे. हर हर महादेव. Thank you so much sir.
And I would like to sing 2 lines of a love song, a very beautiful love song between Chai and Sai Pallavi, and beautifully written. And yeah, I think I also would like to mention that this song has been so beautifully penned. It's a song about Shiva, the power of Shiva, and mostly the love story and the marriage episode of Shiva. That's what is the beauty about this song. And thank you, Chandu sir, for giving such a beautiful situation. And what I would like to mention is the same lyricist who wrote super duper hit songs for Pushpa 1 and Pushpa 2, Rakhi Balam Bhai ne ye gana likhe hai. So I think it's a culmination of 2 religions in this song. You know, he's a pure Muslim who is so sincere to his religion, and yet he wrote this song studying all the Puranas. And so I would like to say thanks to him. And I think that's the greatness of India, where we all, like they say, we are all living together, respecting each other's religion. I think this song is a great example of that, the way it came out. So thank you so much. And now, this song, though, love. So that is there in everybody. So, and you have taught us a lot of love, sir. So, and the song goes like, "Tani na 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 ni tare ra ra re." Yeah. Tari na 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 ri tari ri ri ta ra ri. I want to. तेरे बिना मेरा दिल ये बेचारा, जैसे दिया कोई तेज हवाओं से हारा, तेरे बिना दिल गम को गुबारा, कोई कहे मुझे पागल कोई आवारा, ओ यारा तुझे ढूंढे दिल हमारा, ओ चंपकली ओ यारा तुझे ढूंढे दिल हमारा, मेरी चंपकली.
Whoa. Sir, do you
Sorry for the cracks in my voice, my throat is
do
gone.
you use any
Very good,
instruments
very
या
good.
ऐसे ही काम चल जाता
Very
है
good.
सारा?
Most of my composing is done like this, sir, on the chairs, on the tables, through my mouth. And whenever I touch a keyboard or a piano or something, for me everything is musical. This chair, this mic, this table, whatever. So whenever I touch anything that can create a sound, because sound for me is always music, and tab hoti hai feelings, mere ko musical feelings. So everybody say, hoti hai feelings, hoti hai feelings, hoti hai mere na 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 feeling ko, hoti hai. Thank you, guys.
ट्रेलर भी देख लिया, लेजेंड से भी मिल लिए, कॉन्सर्ट भी हो गया, अभी क्या चाहिए? गिव इट अप फॉर देम लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन वन मोर टाइम. ओके ओके एंड 7 तारीख को जाना है थिएटर्स में ये फिल्म देखने के लिए. उससे पहले इट्स टाइम फॉर अ क्विक फोटो ऑप विद द एंटायर टीम एंड ऑफ कोर्स वील गेट टू वॉच दीस टू एसेट्स on the big screen in some time. We'll quickly remove the chairs. Also, our co-producers, Banu sir, thank you so much for being here. And Mr. Chaudhary, please, we'd want you to be on stage. And our EP sir, Satya sir, please, आइए. We'll do a quick picture, of course, with the entire team here. Abhi? Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you so much. We'll do a quick. Chair, sir, please. Chair, sir, please, आइए. Yes, sir, please. You and Amir, sir. आइए. Ali, and we got, of course, Namah Shivaya, जो अभी हमने सुना यहाँ पे. Can we all settle down, please? Thank you.